Hi, and welcome to Linux and Windows Help. This is our third episode, and also I got a new microphone. I'm testing a condenser mic, Samson COU1 or 1U microphone. I'm going to give it a shot. This is my first test, so it might sound better, it might sound worse. I might have to fine-tune it. Anyways, this episode is going to be about making a bash script and turn it into a function on Linux. Alright, it's going to be mainly the terminal, but I'm going to show you different ways of doing it. Alright, let's start off. You see how it's green? And you got the sign right here. If you type sudo su, you log into super user. Now you notice it turns red. That means you are super user, you are root. So anything you type, you do not require a password. It's very dangerous. You could really screw up your computer like this, quickly. But for instance, like apt-get install play on Linux. You don't need no password. It doesn't ask you a password, it just does it. You have full administrative. You notice it didn't even ask you if you really want to do it or nothing. It did it. So, you just type exit to get out of it. Now watch, I'll type it again. See? It's locked. Permission denied. And they ask you, are you root? So you see, if you type sudo su, which is right here, you can have full root and you don't require a password for any of your anything that requires sudo, like sudo apt-get install. All right. Now we're going to. I'm going to use Nano. I like Nano, but there's all different kinds of text editors out there. We're going to do it with Nano though. You just type Nano and it opens up text editor. To do any kind of, actually, I'm going to get out of this for a second. I'm going to show you something first. So watch, you type echo hi. See how it comes up hi? That is a bash command, echo, and it created hi. So if you just did echo, it's nothing, it's blank. If you just type hi, command not found. Echo is a command to show. Okay. All right. Nano. To do a bash script, always start off with this. Bin bash. Always start them off with that. That way you're telling the computer it's a bash script, because they don't know it from anything else. Now it knows it's a bash script. And you type clear, and that clears the screen. Now just type the same command, echo. By the way, you can make this as long as a script as you want. You can do all kinds of things. It's not just one thing you can do. You can do 1,000 things on one script. We're going to do hello world. So bin bash tells it that it's a bash script. This clears the screen. And this is the echo command, and it will say hello world. Alright, hit Control and X to save, or to exit, but it'll actually save. It says, do you want to save changes? Press yes, or press Y for yes. And this is file name to the right. We're going to go ahead and name this hello. Or no, let's name it first. As in first script, let's name it first. Then press enter. Alright. Type first. You'll see. I can't find it. Actually, it's a program. So right now we're gonna show you where this file is located at. Actually, it's right here. Let's click right here. It comes in right here. It's under your My Documents. And that's the file you created. You notice it doesn't do anything. To get it to do something for a script, you have to put that dot and colon first. So that says permission denied now. You have to give it permissions. And a lot of stuff. So sudo change mode, and then plus X, plus X, and then type first. That's your script. And it's going to change the mode so it allows it to be executable. Alright, now type first. And it said hello world. Now we're going to change the directory to USR. And now we're going to type first again. Nothing. Let's start with first. And nothing. Alright, so we're going to let's go ahead and go back to directory. So we made it executable, but it will not execute in other directories. And you have to type this before it. Or you have to type this before it. So now we're going to move it to a directory that you do not have to do that anymore. We're going to move to the directory that... There's two ways of doing this. You have to look at it right here. I'll show you one way, but we're going to do it through the command prompt. So let's go and open up another folder. And file system, USR, local, and bin. That's where you want to move it to. Ignore that. Shoot. Oh well. I was playing around with someone else. Anyways, if you're gonna move it here, this folder is locked down. So you have to give it administration breaks. So you want to open this as an administrator. Okay, now this thing has administrative rights now. So you notice right here it says as super user. So now you go to local and you go to bin. And you can delete that. That was just a joke. Playing around with it. My friend Brett was here and he was doing some silly things, making some silly tutorials and stuff. I might put a little joke section on my page and put them on there. We're just being silly. Anyways, you can just drag your first right here. That way, now it is a global command. On the terminal. Now you can type first here. You can type first here, and your command goes everywhere with you because you put it into a directory that it will be known all over. But now I'm going to do it with the terminal. We'll go ahead and we'll delete first here. You'll see it don't work anymore. This is files and directory. Alright. Now we're going to show you the command. And you'll see it'll appear there. Why did I do that? Oh. You'll see it'll appear there. So this is a directory we created in. It's right here. Now if you want to move it, type sudo move first to USR local and bin. I'm going to lift this up a little bit so you can see it come, and boom. Comes in. That's how you move it with the terminal. Alright, so that's your first script. Like I said, you can put whatever you want in there, bash commands. There's a lot more than just echo. And we're going to go through that real quick. Yeah, I need to switch browser. That Firefox takes forever to load sometimes. Come on. No. No, try it again. Maybe I didn't click it. There she comes, because I didn't click it. Alright, this first link I found. I mean, there's tons of links out there, but this is just a link I found that it's through Ubuntu Help Center. That's the beginner's guide to Bash scripting. It shows a lot of basic commands for the Bash shell. It goes over a lot of the basics, and that should help out a lot. You can also just like search in your search engine for Bash commands, or if you want to search up a certain command. You see, there's a bunch of stuff you can do. Like this is see the status for your network connection, IP address. See, there's all different kinds of commands. And there's a change mode we went through, so that gives you more information about that. And like I said, if you just want to learn this command, just search it, change mod, and it'll show you. There's websites that will say everything about that command. And that's where you want to go if you want to learn a certain command perfectly. And there's a lot of stuff you can do with it, or with any of the commands. Oh yeah. Sign me up. Well, that's pretty cool though. So it's a good site to start on. And it's Ubuntu, which is what you're operating if you're using Linux Mint. It's based off Ubuntu, so all this stuff is pretty much for Linux Mint. Alright, the next site you got. This looks like an advanced guide to learn advanced stuff about shell scripting. And this, like I said, there's tons of sites out there. You gotta look it up, and this will has detailed instructions on everything about it. Probably more than you want to learn about the Bash shell, unless you want to become a hacker or something. It's just cool. Not to learn about computers that much, but there's tons and tons and tons of information here. Alrighty, that will conclude our episode for today. Yeah, that's our session for today. So thank you for watching. Please share. Please like it. Join our group. Join our YouTube channel. And you have a good day. Thank you.